What's up, guys? We're back again with the S3. I've got my boy Mershad over here. We got coffees. This thing's been making me shit for the past 3 hours. Still haven't finished it. But I'm gonna show you around the car today. Roll the clip. Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're my S3. I'm with Mershad, one of my boys. We're doing a video. We're doing a music video, but thought we have extra time, so why not
use it?
Why not make use of the time? So, kind of want to talk about the exhaust setup that I have on the car right now. I'm sure you guys have seen the shorts, but we'll go for a ride. Let's see how it sounds.
Roll out the window.
We'll do some rolling shots, and then we'll do some shots outside. I'll show you guys. So car's in individual right now. Let's put it in S. I have the valves completely open. I have a CTS res delete. And
do it there.
So the best thing is about this setup is it makes the pops louder in dynamic between 3 and 4K RPM. But in dynamic, it's the same amount of loudness, except there's no pops and bangs. So if you're trying to not have those, definitely put it in individual. Okay, I put it in dynamic. Let's see if we can hear some pops and bangs.
Hopefully it's not too dark.
So it's not super obnoxious, but you still get a good sound, no drone. That's the best part about this. So we'll show you the outside right after this.
Go.
Alright guys, I'll quickly show you around the car what we got going on right now. As you can see, I got these TSW wheels. I think they're called Sebring. Don't look at the curb rash that I did on them. That's not me, that was the previous owner. But these are 235, 35, 19 squared all around. That looks nice. Oh, look at that, don't look at that. And then I got the car tinted. As you can see, it's really hard to see inside. I have to chrome delete this, but I just haven't got around to it. Maybe if YouTube pays me enough, I'll